Peeps, welcome to the first installment of Jamaica to Rawtid, where I recap some of the biggest news items from the week that was. So please join me for these stories after the jump.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
So, starting the list, we see where sitting Member of Parliament for East Portland, Dr. Lynvale Bloomfield, was found stabbed to death in his Pasley Garden home about 10:30 a.m. on Saturday, February the 2nd. So far, no motives have yet been established by the police for the untimely demise of the medical practitioner. However, many aspersions are being cast, many assumptions are being made, and we're seeing where the Jamaica Labour Party councillor for the division is being harassed by members of the People's National Party who are suggesting that he may have had something to do with the untimely death of the Member of Parliament. So we'll continue to watch this one and see how it develops and see if the police are able to make any breakthrough as investigations continue. And let me take the time out to say condolences to the family, friends and associates of Dr. Lynvale Bloomfield. We also saw recently where the Minister of Health, Dr. Christopher Tufton, had his say on the Buju Banton situation. He said that he will not be a part of the crowd at the National Stadium on March 16 for the first leg of Buju's Long Walk to Freedom concert. The minister said that he is very disappointed with Buju Banton because he has not yet taken the time out to use his influence upon the country to encourage the youths not to take or follow the footsteps that he took, and to encourage them that they should stay away and not get involved in the illicit drug trade or the use of such substances. The minister also chided Buju Banton, saying that he should come out publicly, accept and admit that he was convicted for a drug offense and apologize and move forward. But we see now where a situation is developing at the Falmouth hospital. Even though I cannot confirm it, there's an article from one of the major media houses in the country that is suggesting that since May 26th of 2018 and January 25th of 2019, a total of 16 infants would have died at the Falmouth Hospital in Trelawney. Now, how come can there be 16 deaths at one hospital within a calendar year and they have not heard the Minister of Health address this in any form or forum? If the information is actually true, how come the parents of these children are no wiser as to the cause of the deaths? How come from May 26, 2018 to January 25, 2019, not even a single post-mortem examination would have been done to ascertain the cause of death or what is influencing the cause of death or the high infant mortality rate at the Falmouth Hospital? How is the minister now chiding Buju Banton publicly when so many issues are facing the health ministry? We're also seeing a situation where the Chief Medical Officer for St. Catherine, Dr. Prosper Chen, is saying that 520 notifications in relation to the dengue fever outbreak would have been recorded in St. Catherine since the start of 2019. In the first 25 days of 2019, there were 520 suspected, presumed or confirmed cases of dengue fever, and a number of persons would have died as a result of symptoms related to dengue fever. And the minister can come out and talk about Buju Banton. Now, I remember recently when a video surfaced on social media with a schoolgirl clad in her uniform who attends the Lacovia High School in St. Elizabeth was involved in a physical altercation or confrontation with her mother, who she repeatedly punched, boxed, kicked, everything in the full view of the public. Now, mark you, that mother would have been wrong to go to the school trying to discipline her child in front of her peers like that. That should have been done in the confines of her home. But I am saying this categorically. There should be no instance or reason where a child sees it fit to punch and box and kick his or her parent. Now, many persons came out in defense of that child. So we see that the country would have degenerated into a state where parents are no longer able to speak to their kids. It's either be a kick and box or a stone fling and lick them down. So bad is the situation where, yes, we know that in the past we have heard stories of children attacking and killing their parents. But I never heard of a situation where a child takes up a gun, points it at his father and shoots at him. This would have occurred in Clarendon where a 17-year-old boy during that confrontation with his father, verbal confrontation and altercation, decided that the only way to solve this was to point a gun at his father, pull the trigger and fire at his father. Thankfully, the father was not hit. The police were called, the youngster's room was searched, and about 3 rounds of ammunition were found. He was later accosted at a shop in the community. His person was searched and a homemade handgun was found on him. So he's not only brazen enough to shoot after his father, but after him shoot after his father, him still a walk around with a gun upon him. That is the state of the nation's children at this point in time. But this is Jamaica to Rawtid. So back in the days, there was a song that says, man them short, but the woman them plenty. So much so that we're seeing where a sperm donation bank, a sperm bank is being established at the University Hospital of the West Indies, where Jamaican men can go in, donate their sperms, and it will be exported or sold overseas. And we also seen a situation where this same sperm bank is facilitating the importation of sperms. What they're saying is that it's very risky for a Jamaican female to use sperm donated by a Jamaican male, because you might have a situation where sister or brothers married each other, cousins married cousins in the future. No, they're saying that there's a great demand for Jamaican semen in Haiti. No, I don't know why I would want to send my sperm to Haiti. Just do the maths, you understand? It don't add up, it don't make no sense to me. Now, to the interesting part of the story, here are the requirements to become a sperm donor. You must be a young male and you must have attended or is currently attending university. So the long and short of the story is that them no want no done sperm, them no want no done stuck around here. So if your sperm not go to university, then you not go nowhere. So now peeps, you know that many Jamaicans believe in quote unquote hobia. Right? Imagine you attend court and while you are in the court you see 2 big old bullfrog appear out of nowhere and they appear with documents in their mouths. When the documents were retrieved and perused, the names of a particular judge and a police officer were inscribed in them. Now, can you tell me, I mean, as one person said, this is worse than a bomb threat, this is a frog threat. So see you next time as I recap some of the stories that will make you sit back and say to yourself, hey, this is Jamaica to Rawtid. I'm out.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.